Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. For today's DIY, I will be doing an ornament. And if you already have the supplies at home, this DIY shouldn't cost you a penny. So starting off for this DIY, I will be using a pine cone and tearing it apart. I will just be needing the scales, and you will have to play around with it a little bit to remove the scales. So once you finally pop them off, moving on to the ornament. And for the ornament that I will be using one from Dollar Tree. It's the big giant ones that they carry. And I ended up using 3 pine cones for the giant one. I am simply just going to hot glue them. And for the top part of the ornament, I will be doing like a flower and then just adding from there by starting to overlap them. And you want to do the pointy side down, if in case you don't remove the pointy part of the pine cone. But anyways, like I said, I will just be overlapping these, and once I do start overlapping them, I will just be tucking them in underneath the other ones and just doing that all around and until you get to the bottom part. As you can see here, I wasn't really that neat about it because anyways you won't be seeing it, and I will be painting it. And since I am going for the theme of a farmhouse or rustic look, I decided to go with white paint. Or you can leave them plain and simple. I think they look very pretty like this as well. But I am going in with some white paint and coating them. I did plan to coat them fully covered in white, but as I was painting them, I was liking the more natural look and the brown showing through. So I kept them like this and I just distressed them with the white paint. And once I was satisfied with how they looked, I am going in with some snow and some arpage, and I'm only adding the snow to the top portion of the ornament. By the way, as you can see here, I also did a small one and a medium-sized one. For the 2 smaller ornaments, I only used 1 pine cone, but for the giant one, you will be needing 3, depending on the size of the pine cone. But I just love how easy these were, how simple they look, and how this is something that you could see at Kirkland's. High-end. Very pretty. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think about it. But until then, guys.